Hello guys, how you doing? Thanks so much for clicking. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a box braid wig, and it's very simple, beginner friendly. So the first thing you're going to need is a cap, and if you use a dome cap that doesn't have a lace on it, then you have to sew a lace on it. And then of course you need crochet box braids, and like this is very simple and also time saving, and also it's beginner friendly. So this is one pack. If the loop of your braids are small, then you need a small crochet hook because you don't want to tear the cap, and then also you don't want to spend time just trying to pull that hair through that loop. Yeah, so as you can see for this loop, it's very small and the crochet hook is big, so you might take like forever just to pull that hair through that loop.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful.
So just try and use a small crochet, and that will quicken up the process. So I went ahead and just crochet the hair on the entire cap, and as you can see I didn't start from the bottom because I didn't want my hair to be so heavy, and also I didn't want to run out of hair. I used 6 packs for this tutorial. On my previous video I told you I prefer if you use this type of cap instead of dome cap, just because of how the hairline would look after you're done making your wig. So for this tutorial you can either use this cap or the dome cap. The results will still be the same, but then the good thing with the dome cap is that when it comes to this part it's like a lace, so like pulling the hair through can tear the cap, but then if you use a dome cap you can like easily pull the hair through the dome cap.
To live through. You came into my life just like another season, not for long, just a time, just like another season.
Pulling the hair at the back of this cap is so easy because of the fabric that is used at the back. So if you don't want the hair to tear, then you have to insert the hook and make sure like it passes like 7 or 8 holes, so that when you pull the hair through, like it doesn't tear the cap. I inserted the hook and passed it through like 4 holes, and that's where the cap tore.
Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
Let it pass through like 8 holes and then pull the hair through. The cap will tear a little, but then you'll be able to pull the hair through.
The seasons turn and change just like your mind.
So it can be so hard to pull the hair through this part because the fabric is so thick. So alternatively you can just like sew the hair instead of, you know, using the crochet method.
Into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season, not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
I decided to use the sewing method on the lace because I didn't want to tear my lace. And then also as you sew them, make sure you sew them close to each other because you want the parting to look natural.
Each time of year carrying memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season. Don't want another day without you by my side. Oh, this season. You came into my life.
The next step is to cover the space at the back, and you're first of all going to sew the braids together and then sew them on the cap. For you to make this wig secure on your head, you have to sew combs and a band on it. This is me trying on the wig, and I just realized I didn't apply concealer on the parting, but it blended well with my complexion. So guys, just comment down below if you love this style, if you can try this style, because it's actually beginner friendly. Like, you don't have to do the braids yourself. All you have to do is just buy the crochet hair and then crochet it on the cap. As simple as that. So that was it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.